continue fighting an enemy that is vicious. We have never stopped doing so. I think many Kenyans in Interland have always thought that if they don't hear anything, that the Al-Shabaab challenge has stopped. We have always had it continuously for the last 20 years or so. Our police officers, our gallant soldiers, our officers, all working in multi-agency, both military and police, have done a fantastic job together with the NPR in that region and the citizens in the border counties, and we want to commend them. We continue getting greater escalation of these attacks based on different times and depending on what has happened on the part of Somalia, which is now struggling to contain the upsurge of Al-Shabaab, particularly in Jubaland and the neighboring places to our border. It's our responsibility to continue securing it, and I want to thank our officers. What you saw yesterday is nothing compared to what our officers are doing to secure our border, and we assist of all the issues that are happening in the border counties, and particularly related to terrorist attacks, and we will continue securing our officers, giving them the necessary equipment. Recent modernization program has helped a great deal to secure most of these officers, and we assist of that matter.